some bitches is just sick. Hey!
I guess for now you've got the last laugh.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not.
Back with another video. I got a package. I have a Halifornia package. Brand ambassador for Halifornia Apparel, as you guys know. And I ordered some things because I seen that I only had a couple of t-shirts and I couldn't take no pictures. What word I'm thinking of? Okay, I ain't had no Halifornia Apparel due to the fact that I only bought a t-shirt for my bae, and a little tank top I ordered out the mystery box. So I decided they was having a little sale going on, and you know your girl loves sales. So with that being said, I ordered some. You know, it didn't say, it was said it was coming on the 30th, but it came today. So let's open her up and see what I get. So I got 4 items. I have offside joggers in a size large, which was $49, original price. I have a Saints CREWNECK pullover, a pullover which is in large also, which was originally $99. So that's $149. If y'all can count, $148. iPhone 8 Plus phone case, which was $29 originally, but it was on sale. And I got a laptop sticker, because your girl know I love stickers, which was $6.95 originally. So I have a discount code for you guys, which will be right here. Go shop, 20% off, just for you. For you. No, you back there. Not you. You right there. Yeah. So I told y'all everything I ordered. So let's check it out. Check it out. I love the smell of new clothes, especially when they get shipped to you. It smells so good. Anywho, I wanted this big, but not this big. It's a large. Saints CREWNECK. Period. Saints Apparel is this in 2019. I should have got this in a medium though, but it's cool. You like big stuff. I like big stuff. I like. I'm just kidding.
Big stuff.
Big stuff. He know, daddy. Yeah, that's it. That's nice, huh? He probably get 50s.
Yeah, that's about my size, right?
He ain't getting it though. Let me hang it up on my side so he know. Totes jokes. Totes jokes.
So where you order that from?
This from Halifornia.
California?
Yeah, I'm a brand ambassador. He don't know. He don't know. Don't tell him nothing. That laptop sticker. Y'all know I love stickers, don't I, babe?
That she do.
I'm like a big old kid when it comes to stickers. Especially know that. Get you one. Got me a phone case. You feel me? I will put it on my phone, but I'm using it, so I can't.
But this the cheapest fucking phone case I've ever seen. No, it's hard plastic though. It's pretty cool. Nice, it's nice. It's nice. I take that back. I'm sorry, Halifornia. I would never, ever dish out like that. No, it was $29 though. It's a lot of freaking money.
I got it on sale, even though I got it on sale. But that is just a plain Halifornia phone case. So when I take selfies in the mirror, I can be like, I can actually take selfies. You know, Halifornia, they don't like you taking selfies, you know. But I can actually take a selfie. Okay, I'm ugly, I know. I'm sorry. So last but not least, some joggers. I love it. It smells so good. There's some joggers, you feel me? Let me back up a little bit. And I have these joggers, which look super big. So this outfit is probably gonna be for my babe. I don't know. I'll probably wear it one time. Let me try this on. Let me try it on. I thought I was getting women's sizes. Like, that's why I be getting large. Everything large. Because I'm big, I'm fat. But, I don't know. What the hell? These are big. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do you think? They're all the way up here. Sweater too, just so y'all can see the whole freaking outfit. The whole freaking outfit. The whole freaking. So this is mine for sure. They can have these because I gotta put them all the way up here. Wait. Let's pull it down just a little bit. Okay. So y'all see the pants? They're all the way up here. I look pregnant. And if they all the way down here, it's like, it's weird because it's like the dookie booty, the dookie crotch is weird. So I gotta pull them. I should have got them in a medium, y'all. I don't know. 2 different blacks for sure. Y'all can see that this like a gray black. This is like a black. I don't know. What do you guys think? Now we looking at my toes. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. Yeah, so guys, that's the end of my video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be looking out for more discount codes. Because your girl got them. Y'all want them? Let me know in the comments down below.
I guess for now you've got the last laugh.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm